Transferring WhatsApp from Android to iPhone can be a bit tricky due to the different operating systems, but it's definitely possible. So first, ensure that both devices are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. All right, very important, obviously. On your Android phone now, um, open WhatsApp and go to the settings and then tap on the chats and then select chat backup. Here, back up your chats to Google Drive. That step ensures that your data is secure and ready to transfer. Now next, on your iPhone, install WhatsApp from the App Store. After the installation, open WhatsApp and proceed with the setup process using the same phone number that you used on your Android device. During the setup, WhatsApp should prompt you to restore the chat history. Instead of using Google Drive, you're going to need to use the Move to iOS app as a tool developed by Apple to assist in transferring data from Android to iPhone. So once you've installed and opened the Move to iOS app on your Android phone, follow the on-screen instructions to transfer your WhatsApp data. It's important to note that the process can take a bit of time. It's time consuming depending on the amount of data that you're transferring. So once completed, you should find all your chats, your media, settings on your new iPhone ready to use.